Olympic athletes are a common sight at Heathrow Airport these days, but Zamzam Ali Farah and Mohamed Hassan Mohamed stand out from the crowd. The two runners are representing Somalia and come from Mogadishu, about the most lawless city on the planet.
It's good pleasure for me to imitate from my flag and my homeland and my country, also my people. I'm participating for Olympic Games held in London, and I wish to be in the first one who takes for the golden.
They've trained on the tough and dangerous streets of Mogadishu, a city scarred by more than 20 years of civil war. They've had to sidestep the soldiers and been stopped many times. And this is Zamzam's home. Her mother is proud and says she supported her all the way. The family photo album will soon be expanding with pictures from London. Zamzam is running in both the 800 and 1,500 metres. This is the Mogadishu stadium she knows, derelict and dusty in unimaginable contrast to where she and Mohamed will run in London. The coach says athletes are judged not only on performance but also on discipline. Those representing Somalia are the ones who worked extra hard. Such conditions are unthinkable for most other athletes competing in London, but as Zamzam limbers up, swapping the blue skies for London's grey, she and Mohamed must know just getting this far is an extraordinary achievement worth as much as any medal. Annabelle Roberts, ITV News.